Hi guys, it's your girl NesBerr X. In today's video, I'll be doing a top knot bun with 2 bangs. You know it's about to go down, so let's get lit with it. So now I'll be straightening my hair. If you're looking for a slick ponytail, this will be the best option. You don't have to straighten your hair at all, but for the look that I'm going for, I'll be straightening my hair. To get this slick ponytail, all I'll be using is the Got2B spray. Using the blow dryer to dry it as I go along. Just gonna take this black paper and wrap it around my hair. This is just used for protection. Then I'm gonna start off by gluing the tracks. So now I'll be using the Kera wax stick to keep my hair in place. This is optional, guys. For the 2 bangs, I'll be gluing in just a piece of the bundle that I've used for the ponytail. This will help to give the front part of my hair a bit of body and add a bit of fullness to the bangs. As you can see, I've glued that track, so I'm just gonna insert it right in between. Just like that. And blow dry it. I'm gonna be trimming the ends of the bangs so it can blend in evenly with my natural hair. So moving on to the top knot bun. So what I will grab the top off my hair and leave 2 bits hanging down. So I'll literally just twist it around. Just to let you guys know, this is a 10-inch bundles that I've used. So you have a lot of flyaways going on and so on. I've used elastic bands. Place it at the top of my hair. Literally, I'll just play around and see how I like it and what will suit my preference. So I'm going for like a messy top knot bun. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pull over the hair, slightly over the elastic band to avoid it showing. So this is how I've achieved my top knot bun with 2 bangs. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.